Number 4 is ANYCUBIC Photon Mono Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K Resin 3D Printer is an excellent choice for businesses that require top-notch 3D printing capabilities. This printer boasts a 9.25-inch monochrome screen, 138% larger than a typical 6-inch screen. This means you can print larger or multiple models simultaneously, improving your overall productivity. Moreover, the monochromatic screen lasts 4x longer than the RGB LCD screen, and the added scratch-resistant film further reduces maintenance costs. The high precision and resolution of the Photon Mono X 6K LCD screen are also noteworthy, with a resolution of 5760 by 3600 px and a contrast ratio of over 350. This results in sharp, detailed models that accurately capture the finer details. The Photon Mono X 6K's 40 bright LED lights are arranged in a matrix to provide intense and uniform exposure in every print layer, leading to superior print quality and accuracy. Further, the printer's max printing speed of 3.15 in/H is impressive, and the 6% light transmittance screen can print at a rate of 1s/layer, saving you significant time and cost. If you want to buy the ANYCUBIC Photon 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.